Hey, this is Tim Evans. We're here doing the what, and we're going to talk about putting bills on the sniper head jig heads that we have. Your typical bill, your head. This one here is actually the sniper Head Finesse model. What I like to do is take and actually put a little mineral oil that you can get that on there and put that on there. And what this does, that mineral helps you get it aligned properly, because if it's not aligned properly, that bait's definitely not going to run properly. So get you some mineral oil, and like I said, get it on there straight. It's very pertinent to get it on there straight. And like I said, that's the way we do them all. Now they don't come assembled, so this is going to basically help you. But that's all you do. You get that on there, get it over the eye of the hook. So all I'm doing is taking the hole in the bill material and taking that and making sure that I've got some mineral oil, just something to lubricate that, to get it to where it gets on there correctly. Because if you don't get it on there and it's not aligned correctly, that bait's not going to run correctly. Get that on there, and you may have to spin it around a little bit to get that on there. This one's been a little difficult, but there we go. And you get that on there, and you get that on there, just making sure that it is aligned. And there you go. Your sniper heads, what them what. Have a good day.